Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I just got a delivery now from Shein. And I got a whole lot of things for my daughter and you guys. So you guys, welcome to Vlogmas. I just got my delivery from Shein and I am so excited because I got some things and I also got some things for my daughter. So mostly for her because I don't know what happened to all her clothes, but I just had to get her something. So yeah, I got her some things. So we're going to be trying it out now. So it's more like a try on haul for her. She's 5 years old. So it's more like a try on haul for her. She's 5. So we're going to be trying that out and let's see what we got. Just more like a Shein haul right here. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So you guys, this is what I got. Let me show you guys the rest of the things before she starts testing out the clothes. So I got this for kind of like for the house, and this thing looks so soft. You guys, this is so soft. I'm going to put it on right now. Let me see. So snug on my feet, you guys. It's so snug. I don't know if this camera is like getting everything, but yeah. And then I got this one for cleaning. Right, so my battery died. I had to go change that real quick. I got this belt from Shein, and everything I'm showing you guys, after my daughter's try on haul. Whenever I try them, I'm definitely going to insert the picture somewhere before getting this video out. So yeah, I got this cute bracelet for children. So nice. This is another outfit for her, but she'll be trying that out. So let's set that aside. Okay, so this came damaged, kind of like bent or something, but this is like a cute little flower vase. That was why I got this one, but it came damaged. I don't know, but here it is. It's cute. I love it too. I might need a stronger hand to push this thing back out, but it's a little cute flower vase. And here I got this. I won't be mentioning because it's part of my Christmas gift to them, so I'll just keep it aside. Another bracelet that I got, this one is super cute. Another something that I got, these are hair ties, kind of like hair ties if you want to tie up your hair. Just, they are kind of like a little bit extra, so they are super cute. This is another belt that I got as well. This is a key holder I got for myself. It says good vibes. I love it. This is the batter dispenser that I got because I'm just so tired of a whole lot of mess when I'm making pancakes and all of that. So I decided to get this, and it will also enable the kids make pancake with me without anybody messing up the kitchen. So I was like, this is a must-have. They also have this on Amazon, and if you want that, unless you want to go on Shein and get yours, but if you want that, I'll also link it on my Amazon storefront. So this is what it looks like. This I honestly do not know. Let me open it and see what's inside. Oh, okay. So this is a jewelry stand, kind of like a jewelry holder kind of thing. Let me show you guys. This is super cute. So I don't know which is okay, this is the down part, I'm assuming. So this is it. This is how to kind of like open it. So you can just, I like that it's kind of like it saves space because I don't have that much space in my closet. So this works. This is super cute. Like, look at that. You can even leave it like this. Like, look at that. It is super cute. And then, you guys, as you can see, I'm sweating right now because in this second living room, there is no fan. We are still planning on buying a fan for it. So I saw this super cute small fan. Okay, so you guys, I pressed it. It came on and it just blew all the dust in my eye, which I'm not supposed to even place that on my face in the first place. But Hold on, this is small but mighty. Like, I love it's small, but it does a good job. So this is a hedge wrap. So these are the outfits. Another one. So I got this thing for my shower and the glass doors and my mirrors and everything. You already know what this is, the glass cleaner. I got these sunglasses. A new place, a new. So I got a scarf. Let me see. I just got some random scarves that I would use for something. Another bracelet, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is the candle thing. I got these little plugins for my extensions because I have a toddler who never listens. So I have this little thing. And I got this belt as well. And then I got this 10-piece lilies. Let me even put them in the face. Let me see how it feels. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. Okay, so look at that right now. I got a whole lot, you guys. I kind of like love sunglasses. So this one I love. It's kind of like a statement piece. Like I love how fashionable this is. This particular one. I love how fashionable it is. I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find. Christmas present as well. So myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I love the color, the texture, and everything about this scarf. I love how big it is. Like, yeah, this is beautiful. I love this. Another key holder for me. Another gift. Look at that. I have another scarf on here. Yeah, I love this one as well. It is so beautiful, you guys. The color, the key holders. I got a whole lot of things, you guys. And then my hair clips. Can you imagine how long that receipt was? And we have this one. Reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way. I found my way. So this is what it looks like. It is little beautiful, just for a little setup, you know, on Christmas Day and all of that. So that is right. So you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be the try on haul for her clothes, because I don't want this video to be so long. So that will be, I'll see you guys in the try on haul for her clothes, and I'm so excited. So let's go. So I'll see you guys. I am tired. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be her try on haul. So you guys are going to see everything that we got, everything that she bought, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Happy Christmas and everything. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found